Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: a host phone with mobile data and Bluetooth tethering capability, and a client device that can use Bluetooth PAN. Turn on Bluetooth on both devices and enable mobile data on the host. On the host, open the Bluetooth settings and make the device discoverable. On the client, scan for the host. Once you see the host, pair devices using the PIN or confirmation prompt. Make sure pairing completes before progressing to network sharing steps. Once paired, you enable tethering on the host. Go to Settings right arrow Connections or Network right arrow Tethering and Mobile Hotspot, then toggle Bluetooth tethering. On the client, open Bluetooth settings, select the paired host, and choose Connect to Network or Use for Internet, may appear as PAN. Make sure the client requests network access. Accept any prompts. Why this matters: the host forwards mobile data through a PAN profile, and the client must attach to that profile to route traffic through the host. You finish by verifying connectivity. Open a browser or ping a known site to confirm internet access. If it fails, check the client's network properties for an IP, gateway, and DNS assigned via PAN. Absence means pairing didn't provide network service. Once done, restart Bluetooth on both devices or unpair and repair. Make sure mobile data is active on the host. If problems persist, reboot the host phone, re-enable Bluetooth tethering, and re-attempt connection. This resolves most transient routing or service issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.